Meaning of focus.
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 Focus. Focus refers to the ability to direct one's attention and energy towards a specific task or goal, without being distracted by external factors. When we are focused, we can maintain a sense of clarity and purpose, and work towards achieving our objectives in a more productive and efficient manner. Focusing requires both mental and physical discipline, as well as a willingness to prioritize and make choices about how we spend our time and resources. Ultimately, developing strong focus can help us achieve greater success and fulfillment in life.